Hi everyone, it's Ashley. Today I'm going to teach you how to make the really cool carrot flowers that I was telling you I was going to show you how to make. Just a few simple things. We have a peeler, a knife, and this really nifty little thing is actually a cutter for fondant for cake. This is going to make our carrot leaves, okay? So first thing that you want to do is you want to get your carrot and your peeler, and we want to peel off all of the outside edge of our carrot, okay? We're not going to use those. We're not going to use those pieces. All right. Let's see here. Let's get this. All right. Now we're just going to set that to the side. Put our carrots over here so we have a little bit more space to work with. All right. So now first thing that you're going to do is you're going to just take the peeler and the carrot and you're going to start making some slices. Okay. Just like this. Real easy. All right. Okay. You're going to make quite a bit. However many you'd like. Okay. And let's see here. I think that's probably going to be pretty good for us to get this example going. Next thing that you're going to do is you're going to take your knife and your carrot and you're just going to slice them. You're going to slice the carrot into little rounds. See, I'm going to start right here. So we're going to cut several of these slices. You see how quickly this is? Quickly this is going. It's so fast. Okay, we've got lots of slices here. I'm going to show you just one flower today, but you can make as many as you want for your charcuterie board when you're having a party, you're having guests over, and you just want to kind of, make your food a little bit more pretty, a little bit more presentable. Okay, so we have that much of a carrot left. Now, if I were doing, say, this whole tray, I would probably do all 3 carrots, but I'm going to just show you this with one. Now, you're going to take your rounds and you're just going to punch it out like that. Okay? Makes really cute little leaves. Isn't that adorable? And the thing with this is that you can do as many or as little as you would like. Okay? I'm going to just punch all of these out. And you know what? You really can use any shape too. You do not have to just use leaves. Valentine's Day is coming up. Super Bowl's coming up. Cut out some footballs. Cut out some hearts, I found these. These are at Hobby Lobby. They have a great selection of, items like this that are supposed to be used for cake decorating. And here I am making cute little carrot leaves. Isn't that adorable? I love it too. And, you could probably use a mandolin. Oh, look, that one is so thin. I love it. That's going to make a nice contrast with the other leaves. You could probably use a mandolin to cut these and it might be a little, a little bit more accurate. Let's see. Did I get all of them? I did. Okay. So now we are going to get our plate. Oh, I had the carrots on here and it got a little bit of stuff on it. That's okay. All right. So first thing you're going to do is you are going to take one of your slices and you're going to just kind of start gently rolling it. Okay. Just kind of like that right there. You don't want to put too much pressure on it because you don't want it to break. But as soon as you get it rolling, it kind of goes a little bit faster. All right, so we're just going to roll it and roll it and roll it and roll it. Now it's starting to form a little, kind of like little circles right there. Now you're just going to take another piece and add it right onto it, okay? And we are just going to do the same thing. And we're going to build this to... Your carrot flower can be as big or as small as you would like it to be. It's your carrot. It's your flower. It does not matter, okay? This is your thing. Okay, so I'm going to add just a couple more pieces here. Now, this is going to be the very center of our flower. Something else that you could do with this is you could make a lot of these and then just add the leaves around them, okay? So now we're going to set that down and we're just going to start placing our leaves right around it. Okay, it's not ready to hold on its own just yet, but it's getting there. There we go. Okay, now we're just going to put the leaves all the way around it. Look at how cute that is! Who knew eating healthy stuff could be so adorable? I don't know about you guys, but I love this. I'm just going to keep on building the leaves up. That's it. You guys, that's it. That's all that you have to do. Okay, you can put as many or as little leaves as you'd like. I'm just going to layer them in between kind of the spacing of the other leaves. And if you wanted to do another layer, you could. You could just keep on going. Okay? That's it. Look at how easy making that carrot flower was. Isn't it beautiful? You guys see it? And you know what? This little tool right here, you can make leaves with anything that it'll cut. It doesn't just have to be carrots. You can do strawberries. You can do cucumbers. I'll make some more tutorials for how to make other flowers with fruit and vegetables. But isn't this such a beautiful way to kind of amp up your spring game or amp up your party? And you know, they're so easy to take off too. And just boom, dip it in some sour cream and ranch, and then you are good to go. And just like that, you have a really pretty vegetable that you can serve at parties. You can just, if you want to just eat a carrot flower by yourself, that's okay too. You do you. I know that if I can do this, you can do it too. You got this. I hope you all have a great day, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.